Cerritos College is one of the places that's nearby that offers the MSF course, which, you know what, if you want to ride a motorcycle, I think you should take the MSF course. I don't care if you've ridden, I don't care if you have no experience, just take the damn class. And so when you want to do the MSF course, you do it right here. You do it in this big ass parking lot right here. Go through here, see how these things are right here, like this. It's all set up for this. They utilize it to teach you how to ride a motorcycle. They're teaching you the basics, you know? They're teaching you the bare necessities so you can like get yourself on the road. But obviously you still have to train, you still have to develop your skills. And I was getting so much flack from people about like having to spend $500 on this class and the possibility of failing. And you know what, honestly, if you fail this class, you should not ride a motorcycle. I took this class with zero experience riding a motorcycle and I passed it.